Hey, all right, we've made it to week 10. I got behind this week and I couldn't do the announcement video and everything from work, so I'm doing this at home. So that's the different background. All right, so this week, the good news is that you only have lecture videos and a review quiz to watch. So we're going to do chapter 9 and 10. Chapter 9, we're moving into the part of the class where we're looking at cells and how they reproduce and how the genetic material, how the DNA gets passed from one generation to the next. So chapter 9 is called the cell cycle and mitosis. And what this is pick just like any random cell in your body, skin cell, bone cell, muscle, anything like that. When those cells have to reproduce, they go through a stage called the cell cycle, and then mitosis is how they divide their DNA. We've got there's my cat, sorry, making an appearance. He knocked the computer down earlier when I was trying to draw this, so I think they're unhappy with me working from home. Anyway, mitosis is how a regular cell takes its DNA and divides it and splits it in two. Like, so the parent cell takes its DNA and then it splits the DNA into two daughter cells and it puts it in their nucleus. So we're going to go into a lot more detail in chapter 9 about those stages and what happens in mitosis. Chapter 10 is meiosis. What that deals with is when we make sperm cells or egg cells. That's obviously a different process than like making a new skin cell, because sperm cells and egg cells are used for reproduction. So there's different stages and there's different steps that we'll talk about when we do chapter 10. All right, so that's just kind of a quick preview. The only other thing you have to do other than the lecture video is there is a review quiz that is due on Sunday, March 19th. So just make sure that you complete the lecture videos and then do the quiz before the due date. All right, so that's the good news. If you want to, I would really recommend everybody just take like 5 minutes and do this, because I know last week I mentioned that at this point, we are over halfway done with the semester as far as the calendar goes. We're also over halfway as far as your points go in this class. So look and see where your grade is right now. And if you are failing, reach out to me and let me know, like, what do I need to do to bring my grade up to passing? Even if you're not failing, but you're just like not doing as well in the class as you wanted to, reach out to me and let me know what you're shooting for. It'll take like a minute. I can pull up your grade book and I can say, okay, if you want to bring your grade up to a B, you need to make, 7 or maybe like 87% on everything from here on out. I can do that math and I can help you out with that. Just reach out and let me know. Okay? If I can help or if you need help with anything, let me know. Thanks.